Knowledge is not enough. James Clear said that success is not just about what you know, it's about the systems you use every day. And Robert Greene explained that power comes from understanding how things really work, not just from effort. Now look at this. One person is learning, improving, working hard, but nothing is changing. No growth, no real results, no money. Why? Because knowledge alone does not pay you. Effort alone does not pay you. Only applied knowledge in the right system does. This is where most people get stuck. They keep learning, they keep trying, they keep putting in the work, but they are playing inside a system that does not reward them. So the problem is not that you don't know enough. The problem is you don't know how to turn what you know into money. You don't know how to position it. You don't know how to connect it to value. You don't know how to make it work for you. And until you fix that, you will keep working without winning. So don't just learn. Don't just work hard. Learn how to apply. Learn how to position. Learn how to earn. Because at the end of the game, results matter. And results must pay. This is monetary.